2022 Supra GR. Just got the 2.0 in there, not the 3.0. Let's make this thing sound sweet, guys. Got the front lip, got the rear wing, side skirts. Peep the side skirts, peep the side skirts. Got a rear diffuser on this thing. We're gonna slap some nice exhaust tips on there. Fill out this cutout right there. Get rid of these stock tips. Make it sound beast, guys. Yeah, I'm wearing a hoodie. It's under 70 degrees in Florida. That's what we do. We do hoodies under 70. We got the muffler. We're gonna chop this baby, add a Y pipe, split the two pipes, add some nice carbon fiber tips. My bad, not carbon fiber. We're doing blue burnt tips on this thing. Right here, you got a resonator, and then you got factory downpipe right up here. Just so you guys know, in the future, if you decide to do a full cap patch system, it will basically start from right here. Get all this section done, all 3-inch piping, slap a new muffler on there, keep the valves if you get a valve controlled muffler, and then comes with some new tips. As of right now, just a Muffy D, guys. So we're slapping these tips on there. If you guys do want a system for this car, you guys got a Supra, you guys got any kind of car, go to gexhaust.com. Got all the systems from AWE to Borla to MagnaFlow to MBRP to Akrapovic, you name it, it's on the site. '22 Supra, all said and done. Muffy D, all set. Got the 4.5-inch blue burnt tips on there. Looks sweet. It's gonna sound even sweeter, guys. Come crank this thing. '22 Supra, all said and done. Got the patented Muffy D on there. Got this thing looking sweet. Got the tips to match the car. That's all you really need, guys. Just a quick Muffy D. Cheap, solid sound upgrade. Not a real big performance upgrade, but gets the job done. So if you got a Supra, Muffy D it.